You're not gonna smile?
No, I'm not.
Why not?
Because I'm not happy yet.
What are we making?
Fudge.
So what's Grizz cooking?
Fudge.
Say it louder.
Fudge.
Fudge.
Some with walnuts, some without.
Some with pecans.
And pecan. There you go.
3 batches.
Yes.
This batch makes 7 pounds.
And I will be happy once I get some in my gob.
You get some.
Which is
get
not
some
yet.
fudge. So what do we got here? What's this?
A buttered Schaefer pan.
A buttered Schaefer pan, and
Because fudge.
right, and then this pan.
That pan is because we're going to prep the nuts and the chocolate chips. Yet that has to be buttered.
So we have to
Two.
butter the bowl.
So that it doesn't stick, because
So
at the
unfortunately,
very end, after everything is has boiled for 5 minutes, we have to then dump in the nuts, the chocolate chips, and the jet puffed marshmallow cream.
oh, this stuff over here.
Yes.
So
We have to do it all at once, and you know it takes like 5 minutes to get that stuff out of the jet puffed marshmallow cream.
Yeah.
And in the meantime, you're stirring, asking me to hurry up.
this
because-
pot right here, right, with the wooden spoon, and then all this stuff is gonna turn into fudge.
Yes, very, very good fudge.
Very, very good fudge.
And you have to go up the sides.
Oh, I have
because
to go up the sides.
It
Oh, I'm
has.
sorry. Well, I was
because-
doing it one-handed and holding the phone, so
Oh, okay. Well, there's that.
it's, you know, that way the chips and the marshmallow cream will slip out of the bowl into the fudge pot
in one smooth motion.
in one smooth motion. Yes, we like smooth. Smooth is good.
So
No.
everything must be buttered for the smoothness.
You don't have to do this. You can put things
Oh,
in
you
one
do.
at a time.
Yeah, you have to
But
do
this
this.
makes life way easier. So we got our ingredients. I'm sure, you know, everybody's familiar with this. Marshmallow cream, you know, condensed milk, butter, chocolate
Missing
chips,
something.
and vanilla.
And sugar.
And sugar. Oh, I did. I forgot the sugar. I grabbed the bag, but I guess I didn't bring it with me.
Sugar is what makes fudge fudge.
Oh, there it is right there. There's the main ingredient,
And
you know.
vanilla.
And then now we got vanilla. Then we get fancy vanilla up here.
The vanilla you made.
Yeah, the vanilla I made.
That makes you hike your leg.
Well, you know, that's Captain Morgan vanilla right there.
Because it has.
See the vanilla beans? Can you see the vanilla beans? Oh, the vanilla beans. Yes, 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 yes. There it is right there.
How long they been in there?
Oh, a year.
Oh my.
Yeah, so it should be plenty vanilla-y. But anyway, we're going to put all this stuff in a pot, and we'll be back in a minute.
And I may be sucking on a cinnamon stick. I don't
Really?
know.
That's not cinnamon stick. That's
Oh,
vanilla
Well,
stick.
I'll be drinking spiced vanilla. So.
Okay.